seatbelt tie-ins on. If you're up in the cabin, please be sure to return to your seat and ensure your seatbelts are securely fastened. Also, ladies and gentlemen, in just a moment we'll be showing some arrival video that will help explain the customs and immigration procedures of the United Kingdom. For those passengers who are not citizens of a European Union country and who are staying in England, will need to
World Alliance partners, thank you for flying with us today. We hope to see you again soon on another American Airlines flight.
Morning guys, welcome back to the UK. London. Feels good to be home already. Now I've got to find my mum. Hey mum. Hey, how are you? Good. Thanks for coming to get me. It is so nice to be back home. It feels really weird, but first things first, bacon sandwich. Guys, if you're looking for some next level tomato ketchup, this stuff is amazing. So much better than Heinz. Check it out. I think this is one of the best things I've ever made. Is it me or is it really cold in the UK? I meant to have a 20-minute nap and it turned into a 4-hour nap. And I felt like a bit of a zombie. And now I'm editing and eating strawberries. Okay, I put work on pause to get myself some rye bread with some mushed avocado on top. It's quite a nice little healthy snack for you health conscious dudes. Right dudes, as you can see by this tweet from the Digi tour, I am confirmed to be there on Sunday, May the 4th. It's in London, and the details, you can find them, I'll put the link in the description. Their website is digifestuk.com. So any London brownies that want to come through and say hello to me on the Digi tour, yeah, come and say hello. You don't even have to be from London, get a train down, it's pretty easy. It should be quite a fun event. There's lots of fun YouTubers going. Mumsy and I have come into Walton and we're gonna get some Wagamamas just and have a good catch up. How have you been, Mum?
I've been good, thank you.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How excited are you? You missed me? No.
Yes, I have.
How excited are you to get Alfie the puppy?
I'm very excited, but I'm a little bit scared at the same time.
Yeah.
It's a massive commitment, but we've had dogs before, so...
It's going to turn the house upside down, it's going to be crazy. When are we getting him?
26th.
26th of April. Not long now. Oh yeah, Wagamamas. I want to have some...
Nice.
Oh, what is that? I've had that before.
Chicken rice securing.
That's the one that is really hot. What did you get, Mum?
Duck ramen. Grilled
Nice.
duck ramen.
Is it nice?
It's really nice, yeah. But I can't eat it with these.
Yeah.
I'm struggling a bit.
I got the beef teriyaki soba. It's really good. I highly recommend it. Wagamamas was all kinds of lovely, and we're just grabbing a few essentials now. But I just wanted to give you guys and girls a bit of advice in life generally. I mean, take it or leave it, but people who talk nicely and don't swear too much and pronounce things correctly are generally more attractive to the opposite sex. And I'm just putting that out there. And that's just my opinion. So let me know in the comments what you think. Is it important? Accents? Are accents important? Is it attractive or unattractive to speak well? Or let me know what you think. This is the fruits of our labour in Sainsbury's. Dad's dinner, a new pink toothbrush,
show Pop Pop's present?
Well, you've just given it away, haven't you? It could have just been a random iTunes voucher. Now it has to be Pop Pop's present. A giant lemon and buy one get one free on sun cream. Okay, this is your warning. It's spider o'clock in the Brown household. Look at that guy. Whoa. He's quite big. And he's under the TV. Right dudes, I'm going to try and get a normal night's sleep. Try and get rid of some of this jet lag. It's so nice to be home. So nice. But yeah, I will check you in a vlog tomorrow. And thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being awesome. Remember to work hard, be nice to people, and try not to get lost or killed. Okay, love you, bye. Well dudes, welcome to New York. We're only staying here for a couple of hours. Just getting a connecting flight. Nice smooth floors here for pennyboarding. Check it out.